Yes, hello everyone. In this video, I just want to show you briefly how you can use your Google location or your Google map to get the location of places maybe that you don't know them, you don't know about where it is, and you want to know major informations about it. So in your smartphone or in your computer, when you have an internet access, so just go to your Google Chrome and you have to log in. After logging in your account, then you just come and say Google Map. So it just be possible, you just be provided. In other words, let me complete, let me start fresh. Let me start afresh. Say Google Map. So when it has brought you the Google Map, automatically you come and click on it. Because in your devices you might have installed already. You have already installed the Google Map in it, so it's just going to be easy for you to go through it. So in this way, let's say you want to know the location of Serena Hotel in Kampala. So here you write Serena. Yeah, you write Serena Hotel in Kampala. Yes, in Kampala, and that is in Uganda. Yes, so after you are done, the Google Map will automatically bring for you where Serena Hotel is located. So you will just be able to be provided with the location of Serena Hotel. So you see that with this dot here, that shows the position of or the location of the hotel where it is found. So easy here. Then if you want to know many things about the hotel, then you go and see the directions. What are the directions you have to take when you want to know? Or the location here is asking you the location. So with those other things, you will just be able to go through and go about it one by one like that. So we want to come here. You want to see, you want to share many things about the hotel, and you want to see other things concerning those hotel. Then you see the recent, what are the recent thing of Kampala Serena Hotel. Then you click here. Let's say you already clicked in this one, then automatically it will show you here that it is located in this place, and the amount per this date. You have to, when you want to make the rent or the booking is going at this price, which is Ugandan shilling 800,000 250. Because when you want to make the general overview, you come to prices, of which it will now be bringing. One bed is going at 900,000 16. Then 2 beds, all the twins, is going at 975. So the booking fee, you will get just those things like that, and it will be just very easy for you to know things about it. So let's say now you want to see now how let's say from later, let's say you get from later, you don't know the position and you don't know how you can go about it. So let's say you're coming to, you write that Serena Hotel, Serena Hotel in Kampala, and you say from, let's say you're getting from Little City from Lira city. So in that case, you make a search over it, and with this, the Google Map will be able to provide for you and show you the how it is. So when you're staying here from Lira, staying from Lira city, so when you're going to Kampala, how many hours this takes you, and what are those routes you can take. So with this is already Lira city. So when you're going to Kampala, it's now automatic, you have to follow this route to Karuma. So after Karuma, you go to Bayale. So after Bayale, then this is how it looks. Then afterwards, you come to Chigumba, and this is how the Chigumba looks. The environment, because it will be able to provide for you all those things. Then after those, up to the location where Serene Hotel is located. So this is how it is. So it will be able to show you the hours, the number of hours and the kilometers it can take you when you're driving or while you're just riding. So that is simply how you can use your Google Map. In this, I just say thank you for following this video. Keep commenting, keep liking, and send your comments. Thank you. We meet in the next post.